island meets with a vibrant glow. Volcanic lands, so lush and green. Dominica's beauty, always seen. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. The Caribbean breeze, warm and sweet. In every wave, the ocean's greet. Rivers run through valleys deep. Nature's secrets the island keeps. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. History lives in every stone. In this land we've made our home. Indigenous roots, so proud and strong. In Dominica, we all belong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. From Boiling Lake to Trafalgar Falls, nature calls through mountain walls. In every step, a world untold. Dominica's spirit, free and